how to install the cplex into your laptop. So first, please go to Google. You can get the free edition. So type cplex studio, download, then choose the cplex optimization studio and click. And here try the free edition. And you need to sign in an account. For example, here type your email, your first name and your last name and your password. Remember, your password has to be more than 8 characters and 1 uppercase character, 1 lowercase character and 1 number. And select you are in Vietnam and state where are you from, Ho Chi Minh City. Then next, are you a student? Yes, you are a student. Then choose yes. Your phone number. And next, they will send you a verification to save to your email. Okay, so please check your email to see the verification token. So it's to seven 718. Okay. The email. Create an account. Okay, proceed. So after you have an account already, you can choose. If you use Windows, just download it. Download. So after you downloaded it, you can find it in the download file here. Just click here and just install it. After you finish installing, you will see the cplex Studio IDE here. Then you just click it and you can use it already. Okay. It will show you there are cplex windows like this. So if you want to run a new project, just run a new project here. Okay, and for more detail, I will teach you in the next lessons.